Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are driving into the top 15 most visited places in the United Kingdom. Whether it's your first trip or your 100th, this iconic location will leave you in awe. From historic landmarks to natural wonders, there's something for everyone. So grab a cup of tea, sit back and let's explore. Number 1. The Tower of London. First on our list is the Tower of London. Built in 1066, this historic fortress has withstood centuries of British history, from housing the crown jewels to being a notorious presence. Its walls echo with stories of reality, intrigue, and treachery. Do not miss the befitted guided tour. Number 2. Buckingham Palace. Ever wonder where the Queen lived? Buckingham Palace is not just a royal residence, it's a symbol of British tradition. Visit during the changing of the guard for a truly majestic experience. Number 3 is Stonehenge. Stonehenge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a prehistoric marvel. These massive stones have stood for over 4,000 years and their purpose remain a mystery, perfect for the history buffs and photographers alike. Number 4. Edinburgh Castle. Perched atop Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle offers stunning views of Scotland's capital. Explore its ancient walls, see the crown jewels of Scotland, and learn about its fascinating past. Number 5. Big Ben and the House of Parliament. No trip to London is complete without seeing Big Ben. The iconic clock tower is part of the Palace of Westminster, a UNESCO site that's a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Number 6. The British Museum, boasting a collection that spans 2 million years. The British Museum houses treasures from every corner of the globe. Highlights include the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marble, and the best part, it's free. Number 7. The Lake District. Nature lover rejoice. The Lake District National Park is a haven of serene lakes, rolling hills, and charming villas. Do not miss a boat ride on the Lake Windermere. Number 8. Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest occupied castle in the world. Windsor Castle has been a royal residence for over 900 years. Be sure to visit Troy Chapel and watch the Guards procession. Number 9. The Roman Baths. Step back in time at the Roman Baths. These ancient thermal spas were built around 17 AD and still flow with natural hot water. The museum offers a glimpse into Roman life. Number 10. Tower Bridge. Often mistaken for London Bridge, Tower Bridge is an engineering marvel. Walk across into glass floored, walk away from incredible views of the Thames River. Number 11. The Highlands. Escape to the Scottish Highlands for breathtaking landscapes, rugged mountains and lochs. Do not miss Loch Ness and keep an eye out for Nessie, the legendary monster. Number 12. The Shard. As the tallest building in the UK, the Shard offers panoramic views of London. Head to the viewing platform for a sunset you will never forget. Number 13. The National Gallery. Art enthusiasts, this one's for you. The National Gallery is home to masterpieces by Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Monet. Plus, it's free to enter. Number 14. Cardiff Castle. A blend of Roman, Norman, and Victorian architecture. Cardiff Castle is a treasure trove of history. Take a tour to see its lavish interiors and climb to the keep for stunning views. Number 15. Oxford University. Visit the world oldest English-speaking university. Explore the Bodleian Library, the Ashmolean Museum, and the Harry Potter filming location at Christchurch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe me for more.